Welcome back. Still tuned into the market. You've got the resilient show by the equity markets that continued into trade yesterday. So 2 straight days on the trot. We conquered the 14,700 mark quite comfortably, with the Sensex piling on about 270 points and traction seen within the broader markets too. Kunal Bothra and Gaurav Bissa, our chartists this morning, join in to share with us their outlook on the market. Okay, moving on then, Gaurav, your advice as to how one should be playing the index today, and share with us your recommendations too.
Good morning. If you look at the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, the Nifty for now is forming a triangle pattern formation on daily charts. There is some sort of hurdle that will be seen at around levels of 14,850 or so. At this stage, trading Nifty, even if you are a day trader, that would only make sense. But beyond that, positional trade at this stage is not feasible. For maybe if you look at the hourly chart, then if it sustains 14,680. Then it can head towards the level of 14,800 to 14,850 today itself, and that can be the only trade I can see on Nifty. Again, like I said, for daily charts, for intraday purpose. As far as stock specific is concerned, Pharma one has been quite interesting. It has been a resilient one of the best outperformers, not only last few days but last few weeks, few months. And DVs among them is looking good. If you look at the daily chart, there's a very strong breakout that we saw, range breakout happening in DVs lab. The volume participation is good. If you look at the relative strength chart, which means the price of DV's lab divided by the Nifty 50 index, then that also is seeing a breakout. So it generally shows that going ahead, we can see outperformance in DVs. And on that perspective, one can keep a stop loss of 3900. The immediate targets would be 4250. If that is sustained, it can even go towards the level of 4400. Second recommendation, buy on Titan, where we have seen that there's a bullish Harami pattern on daily charts near the crucial supports of 1400, and we have also seen a confirmation candle happening on weekly charts. There's a hammer formation that has happened, so it's looking quite interesting. One can keep a stop loss of 1405, or the target for this will be 1505.
All right, hope you've taken note of all of those fresh recommendations for this morning. Let's focus in on numbers.
Right. Gaurav, what's on your radar for strategies?
For me, it will be Concord. If you look at the daily charts, and it's forming what we call as a bullish pennant formation. The volume during the formation of the structure has been quite interesting. It's trading above the short-term moving average as well. So it looks quite poised for a much higher levels. One can play for immediate target of 610, which if sustained can lead to a much higher level. One can keep a stop loss of 558 and be long in the name.
One important aspect which I would like